Hello everyone and welcome back to another video letting you know about a data pack that's been added to Vanilla Tweaks. As always, you can go to my website and on the left hand side of the screen you got Vanilla Tweaks and you also got a data packs link to go straight to the data packs, and it's in the utilities section. This one is the custom nether portals that enables you to make custom sized nether portals of different shapes and different sizes. And this pack was put together by Grant, who is the newest member of the Vanilla Tweaks team. So thank you, Grant, for making this. I've got a feeling this one's going to be popular. And of course, you can download it over here on the side. You must remember, though, to unzip this zip file, and inside it you will find the data pack that you are looking for. And if you're not familiar with Vanilla Tweaks, you can select multiple ones, and they all come together inside that same file. Now let's jump into the Minecraft game because we have a test world right here to check this out. We'll actually start by flying over to here, and you'll see that one of the things this pack enables you to do is include crying obsidian in the portal frame. Now this is the largest size you can make a vanilla one, and this is the smallest, but we're going to be able to actually customize that. Let's break both of those. It's very loud when you break a lot of them at once. And if you are a non-OP player on the server, you can type trigger and then custom net portal, and you'll see right here it tells you that portal frames are between 10 and 84 obsidian blocks. That is actually the vanilla settings right there, and we're going to be able to change this. So what we're going to do is type in function, if I could spell it properly, and select custom nether portals config. This is something you need to be OP on the server to do. It is going to give you three options right here. One is to include crying obsidian or not. Currently it's included, so we won't remove it, but you can choose to turn that off if you wish it just to be for regular obsidian blocks. You can control the minimum size, and it needs to be 10 or less. The smallest it can be is actually 4. As you'll see, you need 4 blocks around a portal. So we've gone and configured that. And then we can also set the maximum size, which I'm going to set to 200. Now when you go above 84, you can run into some issues with this data pack, which you're going to see, but it allows us to make absolutely humongous portals as well. So let's go and light this one right here. There you go, we've got a portal, and it supports all different shapes. As you can see, the data pack basically figures out where all the obsidian blocks are and then lets you make that shape, which is just extremely cool. This then allows you to make some really creative and fun different designs like so. And a little bit of technical information. These blocks right here are actually counting towards the total block count. So remember we said it was 84. You might actually build a relatively small portal with lots of details on it, and remember all the blocks on the inside will count towards it. However, one like this one up here doesn't actually count towards the portal itself. Now another really cool thing about this is that you could put a hole in the middle of your portal if you wished to do so, but of course the total count, these ones will actually contribute towards it. So let's go over here and light up the big one. And prepare for loud noises, because then we're going to go and break it. By the way, that is the biggest one in vanilla. This is way bigger. I didn't actually count how big, but you get the point. And because it's so massive, some of the blocks up here didn't break correctly, and that is part of the limitations of this data pack when you go over that limit that we discussed. So if you do choose to enable very big portals, you may run into some issues. There are also a couple of frequently asked questions about this pack, like will it support portals that occupy the different axis? Like if I were to light this and then have portals in there, it can't do anything like that. You have to stick to the flat vertical frame for these portals. Of course you can get creative and then create your own additional shape by doing something like this, but the pack isn't going to natively support any other direction other than those two right there. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can get the data pack from the Vanilla Tweaks website, and thank you again, Grant, for making a wonderful data pack, and thanks to Leah as well for putting together this little test world so I could show you everything that's going on over on Vanilla Tweaks. So that's it from me this video, and I'll see you soon with another one. Bye bye.